Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your frozen screen. If your screen is not working, you can see not working in your iPhone, how you can fix it. And if it is sometimes working or sometimes not working, it is like a hanging or lag issue. You have to just clear your storage in your iPhone, delete some photos, videos, document, so it will not hang your device. Then you have to click on apps, and here in the search you have to write app store, and you will see here it is. You have to reset it. You can just turn off, and here it is automatic downloads. You have to just turn off this. You can see friends. Then release some storage and restart your device. And if it is does not working, then you have to go to your nearby service center and they will fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.